Pack and order with me, Etsy edition. Okay, so this order was placed by Pisces. Thank you, Pisces. She ordered a Polo Pink fragrance oil. Side note, I had no idea how many people love this Polo Pink fragrance. I always get messages of people saying how they cannot find this, and I'm so happy that I am able to offer it. Anywho, I also included a strawberry pound cake, a complimentary strawberry pound cake, linen and room spray with Pisces order, and everyone gets a candy as well. So here I am finishing up Pisces order. Again, thank you so much. I'm glad that I was able to provide this fragrance for you, and I hope you love it.